Is the hide phone number from everyone sitting not working on the Telegram app? If your phone number is still visible, the privacy settings isn't saving, or you can select nobody for phones or for phone number visibility. In this video, I will show you how to fix hide phone number from everyone on Telegram app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Telegram. Then in this page, you will move to the sign of settings. So you will tap on your settings. Then here in this page, you will go to privacy and security. And here in this list, you will find phone number. You will tap here. And then you will click on nobody to hide your phone number from everyone. So this is how it works. If you're enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.